I wanted to tell everybody about a new study. It was published last Friday, and it shows that flavors and flavored e-cigarettes are indeed associated with increased smoking cessation in adults, but not with the increased initiation of youth smoking. The study, which was published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, set out to examine if there was that association between smoking cessation and e-cigarettes. The author of the study, Dr. Abigail Friedman, I'm sorry about that. She is the Associate Professor of the Department of Public Health at the Yale School of Public Health. Among her findings, Dr. Friedman found that adults that switched from smoking to non-tobacco flavored nicotine vapor products were 2.3 times as likely to quit as those smokers that switched to tobacco flavored products. The study, as I also said, concluded that flavors are not associated with increased numbers of youth vaping, which, as we can tell, is a pretty big deal. One of the things that we hear constantly from the anti-vaping advocates and activists that are out there is that flavored nicotine products attract youth. But this study is the first in hopefully many studies that are going to come out to say exactly that. Another interesting point is that the study's findings, and Dr. Friedman was very vocal in talking about how the idea of states, especially here in the United States, banning flavored nicotine products, she said was too blunt of an instrument and actually could have the opposite effect. That if you end up doing that, more people might end up switching back to smoking, which, as we know, is kind of the opposite of what we want to have happen. We will make sure to follow this story and be able to give you more in-depth coverage of it on our website at VIDA.news.